Hello everyone! I was just working on this week's project. This will be this Friday's video, the Idexa pouch by Country Cow Designs, and it was time for me to get my hardware ready. So I'm going to move this aside. I have these little bowls that I got at the local grocery store when I saw them. I thought they'd be perfect for keeping my hardware organized for different projects. But I've managed to lose all of the lids but one of them. So I recently stumbled across another solution to the fact that I lost the lids to those, and it's rather inexpensive. Very popular lunch meat brand. These containers, typically when I bring them home, I pull the label off. I immediately take the pouch that contains the meat and put it in a Ziploc bag with the date on it, pop it in the fridge, and this comes directly into the sewing room. And I have a few of these now. This one happens to contain the parts that I need for the Idexa pouch. I have my rivets in there, my rivet setter. I have a rivet press, but I don't have a die for this particular size rivet, so I want them to be nice. And then I have my zippers and my zipper pull in there. So what I can do is, if I have several projects going, I can set these off to the side, and I can grab a Post-it note and write the name of the pattern that I'm making on there and pop it on the top. And that is ready to go and keeps my space a little more organized. I hope this helps you stay more organized too, and I'll see you next time.